You searched how to buy shares of Rusta AB publ. Rusta is a Swedish home and leisure retailer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker RUSTA.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search and type the ticker Rusta.ST to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct Rusta AB publ entry before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can complete. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order completes. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to view the platform used in this demonstration.